Now I'm going to show you how to make the fastest summertime dessert ever made. It's just berries in a gratin with some fresh breadcrumbs that are sweetened with a little sugar, cinnamon, and a little butter. So to start, you need 4 cups of berries, and you can use any kind of berries you want here. I found a really nice combination of everything at the store, so I'm using it all. So that's strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries. So into a bowl they go. Now, the strawberries I held off just because I want to cut them. They're quite big compared to the other berries. So I'm going to take, obviously, the stem out. Now I'm going to cut these down into smaller pieces. This one's pretty big. Quartering them's nice. Into the bowl they go with all the other berries. Now we're going to season this with not a lot, just a tablespoon of sugar, pinch of salt, and my favorite part, a little Kirschwasser. Now, Kirschwasser is a brandy that's flavored with cherries. I'm just going to add a tablespoon, just a little bit. Oh, there we go. Going to toss these together. Now you can make this in one big old pie plate. A 9-inch pie plate works really well, but I like to put them into smaller gratin dishes because it's just more fun to get your own personal dessert. All right, so I'm just gonna fill these up with the berries. Okay, for the topping, it is as simple as taking some sandwich bread and grinding it in the food processor with a little brown sugar and butter. So good hearty white sandwich bread works best here. So I'm just gonna tear the bread into quarters, make it a little easier for the food processor to tear it up. To this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. That's been softened. 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Last but not least, a little pinch of cinnamon. There we go. Bread, butter, sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, can't go wrong. Now I'm just gonna spoon the crumbs right over the berries. That looks nicely evenly distributed all over the gratins. These only take 15 to 20 minutes in a hot oven, 400 degrees. You want to use a lower middle rack so that he can really concentrate on those berries. And at the end, the berries will be warm and juicy and the crumbs on top will just be nice and crisp. Oh, the smell is incredible. You can see it's bubbling a little bit around the sides and the crumbs have gotten nice and toasted. I get a little carried away with the plates for these because I think they're so sweet looking. Also, these little gratin dishes are quite hot, so putting it on another plate just makes it easier to handle. A little whipped cream on top. Time to give it a taste. The smell of the berries and that little bit of kirsch. I love it because it just highlights the flavor of fresh summer berries, as it should. Easy and elegant. See you next time. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website, americastestkitchen.com/JuliaAtHome.